Hello all. Well, we're down here at Havasupai, and we had a major flash flood. We've just speed packed all our equipment, and just want to show you some of the devastation here. As you can see, lots of water. Now this area right here was completely dry 25 minutes ago. Those were all campsites out there. Here's another important thing. As you can see, no more trail. So that means that we're stuck down here right now. Lots and lots of water, and we're stuck. Well, that's what we're going through right now. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.